Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this pixel display, animation text, alarm clock, graffiti. I took the liberty of downloading the app also. Alright, so let's check it out here. Right on top we have our instructions, and we have a USB-A to USB-C plug-in wire here. And this one is about 6 feet long there. Has a little plug-in as well. Good at wrapping here. This is a nice little foam wrapping. I think that's it for the box. That's cool. So here's our little display screen. Little pixel art screen. That's pretty cool. What is this on the back here? Looks like it has a little stylus maybe that we can draw with. That's kind of cool. Alright, so let's plug this in and check it out here. Actually. That's pretty cool. So we got a little rabbit on there, a little snowman bouncing around. I'm going to try to plug this or hook this up with the thing. That's cool. We got a little heart going on there. Alright, let's try to connect this. Device info. Give me a second here. What do we got going on right now? A little blob going around on there. Alright, so I just went to the little connection thing. And this isn't a little stylus, it's a little stand here, so you can put that right on your desk or whatever. And then you can stand this up. Oh man, there's just a ton of different things here. So you can have it spell like, hi, how are you? Whatever you want to spell on there. You can have an animation text. I can put up the alarm clock here for whatever time I want. Boom. Wednesday. Buzzer, 10 seconds, save. And this is add a picture, so I can do all kinds of stuff with that. It's got everything on the schedule. Children's schedule. Get up. I can add all this stuff on there. Outdoor activities, and it's just going to remind you a countdown thing. I'm going to start a 1-minute countdown. Boom, there you go. Has our little countdown on there. Let's see, do a scoreboard. So you can keep track of different scores or whatever. Presets. Text, special effects, background, all that cool stuff. So this has a lot of different stuff on here that you can do. Pixel art is kind of cool, kind of retro. What's all the different things here? So there's my little countdown. I can change this to different colors if I want. I can do different little pixel guys on there. There's a bunch of different little settings they have on the app. A lot of cool stuff. Pretty fun to mess around with actually. And as you can see, it's kind of neat. It actually has some nice little features on there as well. And it has this button on the side, a power button, and also a thing here on the side that you can switch between different things as well. So whether you're this little guy here, like reacts to sound, so if there's sound going on, he's dancing. If there's no sound, he's stopping. Also have these little things going through there, and the timer. A bunch of different things I can set, so it's not only is it like pretty cool, but it actually has some legit features that you can use. So pretty sweet little pixel art thing here, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it's helpful. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.